I am deadly serious about getting this kickflip a chove. No more lollygagging and no more fiddlesticks. Okay? We're going to learn how to do a kickflip. The board's sitting there, ready. Yes! Do you feel it? Today is the day. Today is the day. Kickflip in under a minute. All right, let's hit under a minute.
Today we're learning kickflip. Here's the foot placement. The ball of the back foot is on the tip of the tail, and the front foot is behind the front bolts with your toes tilted towards the nose. Jump off the balls of your feet to get a good spring up and pop. Be sure your shoulders are parallel with the board the whole time.
Shoulders parallel with the board.
Use your ankle to snap on the tail and then immediately lift it out of the way. Your front foot does the flick. Slide up the grip like an ollie, but near the peak, flick your toes off the side of the nose. The motion goes slide up, flick out, and then back under your torso. Catch the board when it comes around to stop it from over-rotating, then land on the bolts. Practice that flick until you're confident enough to commit. Let's put it together. Start your kickflip with an upwards jump. Right before your feet leave the deck, that's when the back foot does the popping motion. And at the same time, the front foot is starting the upward slide. Immediately after you pop the tail, suck your back foot up and get it out of the way. As your back foot is moving up, your front foot is flicking off the edge of the nose and following through. Bring your front foot back under you and catch the board as it comes around. Try to land bolts. Be sure to visualize and commit, and you'll get this trick. Today we're learning kickflip. Here's the foot.
I take this man's advice. I think about it. We're flicking, we're kicking. Kicking, flipping, popping.
'Foot position for kickflips is very similar to the ollie. Your back foot should be near the center of the tail of your board so that when you pop, the very tip of the tail hits the ground. The front foot position will be slightly different for everyone, but I recommend putting your front foot where you would comfortably put it for an ollie, and then moving it back slightly so that the toe of your shoe is near the middle of the board. You will also want to angle your front foot so that when you flick, you want to flick forward and out with your ankle off the side of the board.
But then the board goes flying into my bed. What?
It's common for people to want to flick.
with.
12-minute video?
Also, I just want to say thank 4 to 5
Bro,
months.
I'm not patient. That's me.
Go just farther than that.
Yeah.
Like, it can go all the way, like,
yeah.
where they flick away. And
it's because I'm putting too much weight on my back foot. I know. You're putting too much on your back foot. Yeah, man. Stop showing me your perfect kickflip. It's because you're scooping. It's because you're trying. You're scooping.
Oh, like it's while
you're hitting the wrong.
So like
shoulders.
My shoulders.
Yeah.
So you got to try to keep
shoulders
that way
stay in line. Okay. All right, do it.
Cross down.
Yep.
So
okay. Cross and go straight up. Okay.
So.
All right. I don't flick harder. Okay. Bring your knees up. Bring your knees up. All right.
So for this.
All right. Go ahead. Coward. It's because you're a coward. Yeah.
Sometimes you can't escape it. That would happen to me with my kickflips in the beginning.
Yeah.
I'll show some examples if I can find some. But flick downward to get the flip.
Yeah.
And keep it on top of the board, like above it. And so one thing you can do is up when doing the trick. So one thing you can do is practice.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Daddy's Little Meatball. It's me. I'm Daddy's Little Meatball.